There's a new currency that is raging the internet like a wildfire. It has grabbed the attention of the whole world, and even big names like Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos are tweeting about it. When you open Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram, you see it all over your newsfeed. People are talking about it. It makes you pause and think. Am I missing out on something? What is this cryptocurrency they're all raving about? You have come to the right channel. This video is a simplified guide about cryptocurrency. We will answer your questions about this new currency, what it is, how it works, and why it is so popular. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on our future videos. Thank you for your support. All the news about crypto has piqued your curiosity, so you went online and tried to look it up. Your search result generated article after article talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Binance, and other strange-sounding names that made you more confused than ever. You must be overwhelmed with all those unfamiliar names associated with cryptocurrency. This is why we made this video to help, so watch until the end and I assure you it will be worth your while. Cryptocurrency simply means digital currency or digital coins. We are living in a digital world. Almost everything is digitized, and that includes money. Have you noticed that the world is moving towards a cashless society? People seldom use physical cash now. Payments can be made by scanning QR codes, using cards, or online transfers. With the introduction of cryptocurrency, it might further accelerate this transition. You might be thinking, can I use it to buy something now? The answer is yes. You can exchange it for goods and services online. You can even convert it into dollars. Since it is a digital coin, all the transactions are online, from one virtual wallet to another virtual wallet. We will talk more about virtual wallets later in this video. Don't switch to another channel. There's a lot more we want to share with you. When you go to an arcade, you need to convert your real money into tokens so that you can play games. Then, those tickets you have accumulated from playing will be converted into items at the arcade store. Cryptocurrency's concept is similar to that one, except that you can exchange your digital coins for dollars again. Hopefully, that analogy helped. Cryptocurrency was created when the world was hit with a financial crisis in 2008. People wanted to control their money without relying on banks, companies, or governments. They created cryptocurrency to use a decentralized blockchain network where transactions do not go through banks or governments. The blockchain is a digital ledger where transactions are recorded and distributed to all the network participants for transparency. It is decentralized because it does not need a central server that holds all the information. All the participants have an exact copy of the data. They can access and share the information. This information is distributed but cannot be edited. Just as there are different names for currency, like dollars, euro, or yen, so are the cryptocurrencies. There are not hundreds, but thousands of them. As of January 2021, there are more than 4,000. Let's talk about some of the top ones: Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and Cardano. I'm sure the word Bitcoin sounds very familiar. You have probably heard of it countless times. It is the king of cryptocurrencies because it all started from Bitcoin. It was created in 2008 by someone named Satoshi Nakamoto. It is just a pseudonym. No one knows whether this name refers to one person or a group of people. That knowledge remains a mystery. Then in 2009, the Bitcoin network was launched, and the rest is history. 2 years after the launch of Bitcoin, another cryptocurrency was introduced to the market. Litecoin was created by an MIT graduate and Google engineer Charlie Lee. Unlike Bitcoin that only has 21 million coins, Litecoin has a larger supply of 84 million. Plus, its transaction rate is faster. That's why, despite emerging later in the market, it is increasingly becoming popular to crypto miners and investors. Ethereum, it is the world's second biggest cryptocurrency after Bitcoin. The idea was formed in 2013, proposed by programmer Vitalik Buterin, and it was launched in July 2015 with an initial supply of 72 million coins. It is also the first cryptocurrency that facilitates smart contracts. Like crypto that uses codes for online transactions, a smart contract is an agreement between buyer and seller written into lines of codes instead of a PDF or a Word document that we normally use for contracts. Cardano was developed in 2015 by Ethereum co-founder Charles Hoskinson, but it was launched in 2017. Its crypto coins are called ADA. It is said to be an alternative to and an updated version of Ethereum. It is also used for smart contracts. But what makes it different from Ethereum is that its main application is used in identity management and traceability. Identity management means Cardano is used to simplify processes that collect data from multiple sources, while traceability is used to track and eliminate counterfeit goods. We don't want you to suffer from information overload. So we only went over a quick overview of 4 well-known cryptos. Other details will soon be covered in our future videos. For now, get to know these slowly, process the information, and once you have absorbed everything, then get ready for more technical details about the crypto world. Since cryptocurrency is still money, you need a wallet to store your digital coins. Crypto wallets are as diverse as cryptocurrencies. The most common ones are Binance, Coinbase, Robinhood, and Gemini. There are even physical ATMs popping up in 7-Elevens where you can buy and sell bitcoins. Technology is really amazing. It keeps finding ways to make everyday activities more efficient and accessible to anyone. Watch out for our future videos because we will dive deeper into the cryptocurrency market and how we can use it to our advantage. Now on to you. Do you think cryptocurrency will be the currency of the future? Let's talk about it in the comments section below. If you have learned something from our video, please share it with your family and friends. As always, we appreciate your thumbs up. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.